So I'm reading this straight from verbmoto.com, and I'm going to leave the description or link to this story in the description below if you want to read the whole thing. But apparently on August 6th, the Harlan family's garage, workshop, whatever you want to call it, is right there. Burned completely down. Obviously, the 450 that he rode for Supercross, a new Honda 250, a bunch of suspension, all the parts, pit bikes, spare parts, tools, all that kind of stuff, as you can tell, completely gone, absolutely just melted away. So, to raise some money to get some parts back, the Harlan family, or I guess whoever it is raffling off 10 side plates, 10 signed jerseys, and a pair of tickets to a VIP experience at a race of your choice. And apparently you can do the plate for $20, the jersey for $50, and the experience or VIP experience for $100 per entry. You can enter as many times as you want. Again, I'm reading this right off of Verbmoto, so if I'm a little bit wrong, whatever. Deal with me. Apparently, it says to enter, Venmo your payment to Grant Harlan. And again, the description, or look down in the description for the description or the link to this, so you can get the right thing. Don't need to be sending money to some place that's wrong. But if you're going to do it, go to the description, find the link to this story, go down and read it, and find the right Venmo for him. And I mean, it's kind of cool. It does say that if all the expenses are fully covered for the Harlans, that the rest of the money donated will go to Road to Recovery. So this is an overall good thing. Either you're helping somebody get back on their feet, racing, getting parts and bikes and everything back, and anything that's over goes to, just another charity. This is a pretty cool thing. Kind of sad, or pretty sad story, but kind of cool in one aspect of it. But if you can help, if you're so inclined, if you got the monetary money at the moment, however you want to say it, go down again in the description, click the link, find the Venmo, and go send some money if you can. Maybe you win something cool, or maybe you're just doing it to be nice. And I hope everything goes back to normal for them, everything gets fixed and bought back again that they need. And I hope you all help if you can. It's always good to, help people who are in need, especially if this goes to just a secondary charity afterwards. But again, description below, go check it out. Find the Venmo if you're doing it as you're watching this, because I have to say it at the end of every video: like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. It really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.